This review is of Reese's Dark Thins peanut butter cups. Dark chocolate and peanut butter. I probably ruined it, but we'll see. There's the blurb. I don't know why companies are suddenly doing thin. Other than that, they're trying to maximize profits. That's my guess. Okay, so how you can tell when chocolate is crap is if the first ingredient is sugar, and it is. And the second ingredient is chocolate. So that's not wholly horrible, but it's also got milk fat in it. So this is not actually dark chocolate. This is milk dark chocolate or dark milk chocolate. It's also, it's got sugar and dextrose. And then it's got 1, 2, 3, 4, up to 5 different kinds of oil in it. Oh, and this is Parov, by the way. I forgot to mention that. Okay, one serving is 3 pieces, which has got 11 grams of fat, of which 6 are saturated, no trans fats, less than 5 milligrams of cholesterol, 50 milligrams of sodium, 18 grams of carbs, of which 2 are dietary fiber and 15 are added sugars, 3 grams of protein. And here's also if you eat the whole package. And that's a lot. So I won't be eating the whole package. Now I am concerned that they used palm oil and palm kernel oil multiple times, it looks like. There's already sufficiently large amounts of the stearic acid in cocoa butter without adding in the palmitic and other acids of palm kernel oil and some of these other oils. So yeah, it's I don't think it's ideal. Let's taste it. I find it absolutely amazing how stingy companies that make candy are becoming. And soda. When I was a kid, you could buy a candy bar this big for like 5-10 cents. You could get a bottle of soda, 5 to 10 cents. Now to buy the same thing, you spend $2 at least on soda, and you spend usually closer to $3 minimum on candy bars. Now this bag normally goes for like $2.50, and you get a total of 2, 4, 6, 8. You get 8 of these tiny things. 8. Which is, well, at least you're getting more chocolate than you would if you're buying the regular sized ones. And there's no wax paper cup. They have maintained the balance of chocolate and peanut butter. But man, there's a lot of oil in this, and it, because of the temperature, it's just coming across as like kind of a waxy feel in my mouth, which I'm not a fan of waxy chocolate. Let me just try to taste the chocolate if I can. Not a particularly good chocolate. It's just, I'm sure they used Dutch cocoa, although it doesn't specify that. I would be very surprised if they didn't use Dutch cocoa, which means there's no polyphenols, but it doesn't say whether they did or not in the ingredients, so I could be wrong. It's probably like 50% or less cocoa in this. I mean the chocolate part, not the peanut butter part. And I'm not talking about cocoa butter. The flavor of chocolate comes from the cocoa powder or cocoa liqueur, but cocoa liqueur is actually a mixture of the cocoa mass and the cocoa butter. I think I like this better than the regular ones because there's less of a sense of sweetness in this than the regular sized ones and the milk chocolate ones. So yeah. I'm not going to get killed by eating 2 of these and getting 100 milligrams of salt. So that's nice. There is also vanillin, which is an artificial alternative to vanilla because it's cheaper. What the heck? I assume that that is peanut butter, but I can't really tell. Well, the one in the middle looks like peanut butter. I don't know what the one on the edge is there. It makes me a little bit nervous. I'm going to get rid of it. Scrape it off. And it just flaked off, which is also weird. So, yeah, 7. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great day.